A lot of you may know by now that skirting boards and architraves can be made with various wood types, from man-made wood such as MDF and hardwood to more natural wood such as oak or pine. Now in this video we're going to talk more about pine skirting and architraves, since some of you will be interested in why you may go for this look over MDF or other wood types. Pine skirting or architrave is a natural wood type which is usually the redwood type, and it has distinct patterns on it which would come from a tree. This gives the boards a unique look and stands out when compared to the man-made boards such as MDF. Like MDF, pine can be crafted into any shape you want, and you can change many factors of pine such as width, height, length, or even have it primed white. So pine is almost like MDF. Well, no, not quite. While pine is great and looks very nice, there's also a few shortcomings with it too. First, pine is not as tough or as water resistant compared to the better quality MDF offered on the market. This means you will have to be careful when using pine. Primed pine will offer more protection than unprimed pine. Another problem is due to pine being natural. Some boards may have issues with tree deformities, thus causing the pine to look very ugly and in some cases unusable. Pine also, as stated before, needs more care and attention than MDF, as pine cannot withstand water or damp environments very well. Take caution if you're putting pine skirting or architrave somewhere, if it will be likely to be damp or wet often within that area. Overall, pine is a very nice board type to use. It looks good, has a great standout natural look and colour when done right and taken care of, and if taken good care of, it can last a lifetime. However, at this point, MDF is more recommended for most people. It's cheaper, it can be moulded into shapes better, it's water resistant at the top end, and it can be painted in multiple colours with ease. It also contains none of the potential issues pine can have, which allows production to be smoother and quicker. If you really want pine skirting, then as long as you are prepared to pay extra for keeping it safe and well maintained, and if you can look after them, it could very well be the way to go. Otherwise, MDF might be the better alternative, but the choice is there if you want it. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.